this demonstration, I'm going to show you how to sew a cast off edge to a selvage or side edge using mattress stitch. So first of all, when we look at the two pieces of fabric here, this is if you were sewing stitches to stitches. But when we turn this fabric around, so we have the selvage edge here and the cast off here, we're actually joining together stitches here to rows here. And a knitted stitch in most pieces of fabric, and definitely in stocking stitch, is not square. So we need to ease the rows into the stitches. If you can set up a sequence for sewing together, that will help your seam be much more even when it's completed. So the basic ratio is to take your needle under one whole stitch, which is, if you like, 2 legs, to 1 row, and then 1 whole stitch to 2 rows. So the ratio I'm going to use in this example is going to be 1 stitch to 1 row, 1 stitch to 2 rows, 1 stitch to 1 row, 1 stitch to 2 rows. So I'm going to begin by coming in at the bottom edge here. I'm going to be taking my needle under, if you can see here, under the stitches that are right below the cast off edge. On the selvage edge, I'm taking my needle in between the is this way up, in between the edge stitch and the second stitch in. So if you can see there's my selvage edge, there's the second stitch in, and my needle goes in between underneath those bars. So I'm going to begin by taking my needle in through the middle of the edge stitch here. Okay, so that's sort of under one leg at the side edge. Okay, so under one leg at the side edge to begin, because we always begin slightly offset on the lower panel. Okay. So we take the needle through. Then I'm going to take the needle under, just underneath the cast off edge here. I'm going to take my needle under 1 bar, just in this gap, 1 bar, which is 1 row. I'm going to come back to this side and I'm going to take my needle under the equivalent of a whole stitch. Then I'm going to come back to this side. Because I went under 1 row, I'm now going to go under 2 rows. So I've done 1 complete sequence. Pull gently on both pieces of fabric, and the stitches there, the cream stitches where I'm sewing, will close up. Okay, let's go back again. We're going to go under the equivalent of 1 whole stitch. So because I offset at the beginning, I'm actually going down through the middle of 1 stitch and out through the middle of the next stitch, but it's the equivalent of 1 whole stitch. Coming back to this side, needle into the same gap and under 1 row, needle back to the cast off edge, under 2 bars. We're keeping that side consistent, 2 legs or 1 whole stitch all the way, and then back into the same gap here, but under 2 rows this time. Okay, then we stop, pause, and then we continue again into the same gap, under a whole stitch, into the same gap, under 1 row. This side consistently under 1 whole stitch, and this side then under 2 rows. Again, if we just pull gently on both ends, the seam closes up and you can see that those stitches and rows are sewing together nice and evenly. Now, different stitch structures may require a different sequence for sewing together, so you may well find that if you have a structure different to stocking stitch, you may have to change the sequence to make the seam work. But with stocking stitch, that's my general rule for sewing a cast off edge to a selvage edge: under 1 whole stitch, 1 row, 1 whole stitch, 2 rows.